Good morning students, we start class 10 physics and today topic is Ohm's law. In previous topic we explained about the introduction of electricity and electric current, and in this video we cover the topic of Ohm's law. So at constant temperature B directly proportional to I. It means if temperature is constant, then potential difference is directly proportional to electric current. When we remove the sign of proportionality, then we get one constant, and the constant is R, where R is resistance. So R equal to V upon I. And this is the statement of Ohm's law, B equal to IR. It means at constant temperature, potential difference is directly proportional to electric current according to Ohm's law. It means B equal to IR. R inversely proportional to V. R inversely proportional to I and directly proportional to V. It means if current is increased, then resistance is decreased. It means if resistance is increased, then current is decreased, because the relation between R and I is inversely. Assignment of R equal to the assignment of potential difference is volt and the assignment of current is ampere. Volt ampere की power -1 and the other name is ohm. It means the assignment of resistance is ohm. Our next topic is factors affecting resistance, Student, R is directly proportional to L. It means if we increase the length of the wire, then resistance is also increased. If we increase the area of wire, then resistance is decreased. From equation 1 and 2, R proportional L upon A, it means R equal to rho L upon A. This is the another formula of resistance in terms of resistivity. And the formula for rho is rho equal to resistivity. And the other name of resistivity is specific resistance. Then rho equal to RA upon L is the formula for resistivity. Student, listen carefully. Again, factor affecting resistivity. It means if the length of wire is increased, the resistance of the wire is increased, and area of wire is increased, then resistance of wire is decreased. It means R directly proportional to L upon A. It means R equal to rho L upon A. Students, it means resistance of wire depends length of the wire, area of the wire, and rho is the nature. It means nature of the material, and temperature also. If temperature is increased, then resistance of wire is increased. If temperature is decreased, then resistance of wire is decreased. Then we can find the definition of resistivity from this formula. Firstly, we can erase this. Student, we know the formula for resistivity. resistivity or specific resistance rho equal to Ra upon L. It means if area of wire is 1 meter square and length of wire is 1 meter, then resistivity is equal to resistance. If length of wire is 1 meter and the area of wire is 1 meter square, then resistivity or specific resistance is numerically equal to the resistance. SI unit of resistivity, students, SI unit of resistivity, SI unit of resistivity, it means our formula is rho equal to Ra upon L, and the SI unit of R is ohm, and the SI unit of area is meter square, and the SI unit of length is meter. Then rho equal to ohm meter. It means rho equal to ohm meter is the SI unit of resistivity. Student, next we do one numerical on based of Ohm's law. It means V equal to IR, where V is potential difference, I is current, and R is resistance. Then our question is, how much current will an electric bulb draw? It means in this current, the question is, current is not given, it means we can find the current, and the value of voltage 220 volt, V equal to 220 voltage given, and resistance equal to, it means R equal to 1200 ohm is given. Then we can find the value of I. We know that Ohm's law, V equal to IR, where V is potential difference and the other name of potential difference is voltage, and the SI unit of is volt, and the SI unit of current is ampere, and current is denoted by I, and the SI unit of resistance is ohm, and resistance is denoted by R. So we can find the value of I. It means I equal to V upon R is the formula. Then the value of V is 220 upon 1200. It means 0.18 ampere is the answer of current. So listen again, student. In this question, I is not given. It means how much current will an electric bulb draw. It means I is question mark and V is 220 volt and R equal to 1200. So we know that WKT means we know that V equal to IR. So I equal to V by R and V upon R. So V 220 upon R is 1200. Then the SI unit of current is I ampere. It means I equal to 0.18 ampere. Student, current is measured by ammeter, and ammeter always connect in series because it is a low resistance device, and voltmeter always connect in parallel because voltmeter is high resistance device. And the advantage of series and parallel circuit is, in series circuit, if one device is wrong, then all device not work, and in parallel circuit, if one device is wrong or one device is fault, then our device can also work. Student, we take one another numerical. In this numerical question is how much current will an electric heater coil derived from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the heater coil is 100 ohm. Student, in this question, how much current will an electric heater, यानी I equal to question mark draw from an V आपको दिया है 220 volt and resistance is given 100. So in this question we can find the value of I. In this question I equal to question mark, V equal to 220 volt and R equal to 100 watt. So we know that V equal to IR. We can find the value of I, V upon R. So 220 volt upon 100 ohm, it means 0 is cancelled by 0, then 2.2 ampere is the answer of this question. Listen again, how much current will an electric heater coil draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the heater coil is 100 ohm? Student, in this question I is question mark and V is 220 volt, R equal to 100 ohm. So we know that V equal to IR, so I equal to V by R. It means 2.2 ampere is the answer of this question.